the founder and CEO of One Life NutriScience Private Limited.
Hi, I'm Suhani. I'm a chartered accountant. I handle finance for One Life.
Hi guys, my name is Varsha and I'm working with One Life since 2 years.
I'm Kishore. I'm working here as an e-commerce head and working from last 1 year.
Guys, I'm Mona Lisa and I am the Senior Regulatory Affairs Officer working with One Life.
Hey guys, this is Shailesh Sawant from the creative department. I've been with One Life since the formation of this company.
Hi everyone, my name is Poonam and I'm working with One Life as Senior Customer Support Executive.
So there's a reason why the name of the company and the brand is One Life, because we all have just one, and that's the common factor between all living beings on the planet, and that's why I like One Life. Why I like to come to offices, I have a wonderful team here that motivates me to come. Very hardworking, very dedicated, very loyal, very sincere, and who doesn't like to be around fun people doing good things?
Congratulations on the second anniversary of One Life NutriScience. Lot of greetings and wishes from One Life family to you all. We started this company 2 years back with the vision of enabling and empowering you to live your one life right. And how we intended to do is by providing you world-class health supplements which are blend of nature and science and are made of scientifically studied ingredients which have proven health benefits. When we started with only few SKUs, and today I'm proud to say that we have 70 plus SKUs in our portfolio in the area of performance nutrition, in the area of general well-being, health and wellness, beauty supplements, healthy foods, etc. etc.
I've been associated with the company for past 1.5 years. The best part, the best moment that I've been after being here was when we got the funding from the Wipro.
I'm working with the e-commerce team currently. The best part about One Life is the bosses we have here, that is Mr. Gaurav Agarwal and Vinay Jain. Both are the coolest boss we can work with.
If I talk about the nutraceutical industry is growing very fast in India. One Life as a digital brand, we have seen a good amount of growth in the revenue from last 1 year.
I've been working with One Life for the past 3 years and the journey has been amazing.
I've been with One Life since the formation of this company. It has been a wonderful journey. From past 4 years I've been working with One Life. In this period, I've seen the company grow as we had dreamt of it.
I have completed successful 2 years with One Life, and that's a wonderful experience with good team, good people around you, and especially our boss, Mr. Gaurav Agarwal. Blessed to have him as a good boss.
So my baby is 2 and still needs a lot of love and care from all of us here, and me also. And I'm super excited. I think the journey has been very, very good. Lot of learning for me, for the team, for the brand. And like I always tell people, a brand is not about anything else but the journey of the brand and the people that have been a part of it, who are a part of it, and who will be a part of it. So I think it's the journey that is more important, not the destination, because the destination is unknown and the journey is the present. So I'm enjoying the journey. I'm looking forward to greater things, a larger team and a lot of good work. Most importantly, our aim and objective, which is making sure people stay healthy to live their one life right in the best way they want.
I'm also grateful to all the vendors who have supported us to reach to this level. Once again, thank you all for being part of One Life family. Congratulations and lots of wishes to you and your family for the upcoming festive season.
Seeing everyone, the hard work of everyone getting realized, that was the best part. And now seeing the company getting growth every month on month, that was something I'm enjoying.
It's fun having team sessions around every week, and it brings me here every day because of the people around me. So yes, that's the good thing about it.
We are building a young team here. We are bringing a lot of new things on the table and taking a lot of initiatives to help brand grow in the digital space.
I've learned a lot and I'm blessed to be working with such an amazing team and the coolest of bosses. One Life, live it right, new guys rock.
Today we are in the competitive position to present ourselves with the best employees and their ideas to enhance the brand. I hope we meet the targets set by our CEO Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, and we hope to grow more and more. That's it. Thanks a lot. One life, live it right.
I want One Life name to grow widely in all household. This is what my aim, my desire, and so I've expressed this in this video also. Thank you very much, guys. As we say, one life, live it right. So here we are for you. Thank you very much once again.